Welcome to Favors Flavors channel. Today, I and my friends will be making shortbread. We started by creaming the icing sugar with butter till it gets very fluffy. While we are mixing it up together, please, viewers, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you are watching this, you will love all of my videos. Please like and share. So, as this is going on, you can see it's getting fluffy. So, me and my friends, since we're on holiday, we have to help my mama, with work. So, everybody is so excited and craving to see how this is gonna come out. So, as you can see, as we are mixing it, you can see different hands. These are me and my friends. So we'll continue mixing the batter until it becomes very fluffy. Please, viewers, keep watching. Okay, we are mixing it. You can see the batter is becoming very fluffy now. Yes, this smells good. Viewers, when you watch it to the end, you'll be amazed of what you see, of how this will come out. This is so delicious. Okay? It's becoming very fluffy now. Don't you think this is gonna taste good? So delicious. Okay, we'll continue mixing. As we are mixing, as some of us would like to say, we're mixing. Now we add flour by batches. Yes, we're adding flour in batches. We'll continue mixing it up until it forms a dough. Yes, the butter is already forming into a dough. We'll continue mixing and continue adding more flour. Yes. We add more flour and mix it up together until the dough is formed. So now that we have our dough, we are going to wrap it up and refrigerate it. Yes. So we'll keep it in the fridge. After being refrigerated, we bring out the dough and open it up. Now we are going to put it on a plastic nylon. So we'll fold it. We'll cut it in half. Then we'll fold the nylon so you won't keep your things messy. So we'll roll it. As we are rolling it, we'll roll it so it will give it like a square or a rectangular shape. We'll continue rolling it until it's thin and flat. Now we are going to be patting it. Now we'll continue pressing it until it's flat enough. Now the dough is now very much flat enough. Now we'll use a knife to cut all edges so it can be straight. After that, we'll get a tray with parchment paper on it. Now we'll cut the dough into shapes. Now that we have cut it, we'll use a fork to give it some designs, like 3 to 4 holes on it, to make it look nice. Like shortbread. This looks so yummy. So now we will line them up on the tray in which we put parchment paper. We will line them up. So that we can put it in the oven. So now that we are done, we will bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You can use this method in different sizes, whether big or small, it doesn't matter. And we'll use our fork to design it. Now we are going to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.